drive by myself, so I control the volume. I like to dance by myself. Hello and assalamualaikum. I ordered some stuff from Petals Beauty, so let's unbox this parcel and I'm gonna be sharing my thoughts with you guys. So I ordered this stuff when they launched their new lip glosses, but I'm uploading this a little bit late because of some issues that I'm gonna be sharing later in this video. Let's talk about this BB cream which I've been using for quite a while, and it's actually flawless because its application is smooth and it blends in like a miracle. And it comes in one shade because when you apply it on your face, it basically adapts the color of your face, and it's not at all heavy. Plus there's SPF in it for that extra protection. And now let's talk about these lip glosses, because of which my video got so late. Like, this is the packaging. About the lip glosses, I was so excited to order these, but as much as excited I was, they made me as much disappointed because of the packaging. Like, they cost 1,000 rupees, and look at the packaging. The cap is broken. Like, bro, it's new and I'm gonna be using this. I have to open the cap and close the cap. I can't even count the times. And that one thing that has to be perfect is broken, and not for only one lip gloss, on the second one too. Mind that I ordered one of these for my sister, and I had to gift it to her with the broken cap because their customer service took too long to respond. So yeah, this is the color of the two lip glosses. The hype was about that they protect your lips from UV rays. The product itself, the lip gloss, is actually good. The formula, I like that. But the packaging in which it comes is so poor. And when I complained about this, they took more than a month to resend me the caps. Until then, I was unable to use the lip gloss because the white thingy in the cap also broke and got stuck in the lip gloss applicator. So inconvenient. Here's the clip of me trying to show you the white thingy that got stuck. And I really hated all of the mess that I faced because of the poor packaging. Look at that mess. And the lip gloss that got wasted in that other cap. And look at the problem with this cap. Like, I have to use the power of the Hulk to close this cap and open this cap. To close this cap, oh my god. So frustrating. Like, the lip gloss from the dollar store is way better than this cheap packaging. And let me tell you one more thing. This cap also broke because it doesn't actually fits on the applicator. It's too tight for that, and too much pressure is required to open it and close it, because of which it got cracks on it and also broke. I don't know what they were thinking with this packaging, but they for sure needs to improve this. And yes, this was my review about the products. Let me know if you like it. Bye for now.